क्या हम गट्टे की सब्जी खाने चलें? Hang out with you, Macau.
Very special day today. Yes, IFA turns 25, that too in the year 2025. So that is amazing. And I know that you have some brilliant memories of IFA. Let's begin with that first memory that you have of IFA that you would like to share with all the viewers.
Wow, you should go first. You have a lot.
Yes.
I don't know, when was your first?
In Macau in 2013.
Wow.
Yeah.
Macau. I think my first was when I traveled to New York to meet you. New York में हुआ था ना?
Yeah.
And I चुपके से traveled just to hang out with you. That was my first.
So मतलब IFA is really special in sort of bringing those special memories कि मतलब एक तो आपको एक special time एक दूसरे के साथ spend करने को मिला. Did he express his love to you during that IFA visit?
नहीं.
No, but हमने बहुत सारे plays देखे थे साथ में.
So watched
We
a lot
watched a lot
Broadway.
of plays.
Yes, and we're talking about IFA, which is always a celebration of best and finest performances. You're here for a special reason. Why don't you quickly disclose that to all our viewers?
Oh, the film we produced is nominated in 4 categories. That's why we're here.
Yes.
I'm
And
also nominated for Hira Mandi.
yes, and we know that a lot of viewers want you to win, and so does the movie. To have that big win tonight. When that comes in, what would the first reaction be? 2 big wins if that happens tonight.
I mean, it's just great homecoming. We're really, really happy that everybody has helped champion this film all along, from all the way from Sundance to now. It's been a year and a few months, तो अच्छा है. Really, really, God bless.
अच्छा, अभी हम मतलब आप दोनों साथ में हैं, राजस्थान में हैं, एक थोड़ा राजस्थानी फ्लेवर तो होना चाहिए ना. We want you to woo her. Once again, थोड़ा सा राजस्थानी एक्सेंट में कोई गाना.
मैं फ्लेवर ढूंढ रहा हूँ. कल जा रहे हैं हम लोग फ्लेवर ढूंढने. खाना खाएंगे, राजस्थानी खाना खाएंगे.
बट एक राजस्थानी वे में you have to woo your lady.
क्या हम गट्टे की सब्जी खाने चलें?
I'm wooed.
That's a very simple and easy way, to say, huh?
It's not going to be wooed by this man.
I'm not gonna
Look at this.
give you hacks on camera here about how to woo my wife. No way.
Right. And Rajasthan has been the destination for so many movies. आपके भी काफी सारे projects यहाँ पे shoot हुए होंगे. One thing about Rajasthan that you absolutely love.
I would say hospitality,
Yeah.
music, dance, Kalbelia dance, culture.
Actually, it's just a all-rounding
Culture is beautiful.
state. Yeah.
Right, and we're talking about OTT. We're talking about the best aspect of OTT. Look at the kind of competition it's given, to cinema, to movies, and OTT has now become the source of entertainment. Do you ever sort of feel that movies may take a backseat, which is already the case, but is that a
No.
threat at all?
No. It shouldn't. We all hope that the movies work in the theaters, because this is not up one against the other. We're all together in this. One works, the other works better.